we're gonna be doing a slime challenge today, guys. With my cousin.
Yes, no, not yesterday. The other day and today.
So it's
I think for mail.
Wait.
But asked Nani if she had mail.
Sorry, guys.
Then Nani said, yeah, she went to go get something in the room. And then he just came into right here to the microwave, and then he just
if you get a tough one, then
guys.
you get no point. If you
Yeah,
get
guys.
a good one.
If you get a good one, you get a point, and
if the good one's not too sticky or
if it's just perfect. Okay.
And today he just came to do
first
the
I'm starting out with this
just
one,
asked
guys.
Nani's about
no, it has to be covered. Like say this one and this one
And
doesn't have one. But okay, take all of them out. We're gonna separate them.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So
I'll put mine down here.
No, over here.
Remember, this one's mine.
Yeah, we all know because we're just coming.
Oh, okay, guys.
So you don't have to know where.
Yeah, you guys can't see it. You guys can't see it because like the camera's a little bit up. So yeah, we're actually setting them up right now, guys.
So then we're gonna switch them.
If we don't upload this video, it's because my battery is about to die because it's at 10, guys. So
see, guys, this one's sticky, alright.
Yeah. Okay.
I'll count how many slime we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay.
8.
We got a lot of bad slimes, guys. So just hope we get to good one.
There's too many sticky ones, especially this one.
Yeah, guys. So much stickiness.
Okay,
so let's get started.
We're all gonna close our eyes and switch. But make sure
Wait, we just get one slime?
So close your eyes and switch. Stick your one. Okay.
Oh, this is perfect.
Okay. Get one.
Get one?
Yeah. Okay, put that one down that you have. Now get one. Choose one.
I got one already.
This one.
Oh, this is hard.
Oh, it's a sticky one.
I got this one.
So you get a point.
I got this one, guys.
You get a point.
Don't I get 2? Because I got a perfect one.
Yeah, you got 2 points. So I have 0
now
since
put
I
this
got
back.
this one. But let's switch it now.
Yeah, switch it.
Oh, I got 2 sticky ones. Whoa. Wait, let me open my eyes.
Well, guys, you could try this at your home, guys. So yeah, we're gonna put this video on you guys. So we're gonna quickly come on, hurry up before my tablet dies. Okay, Daddy, close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Oh, wait.
Oh shoot. Oh shoot.
Okay, you have to pick whatever you pick.
This one.
Oh,
perfect. Look it. You wanna feel it?
Oh, I got a perfect one too. So you get 4.
I get 3 points.
No, you got 4 since you got 2.
Oh yeah, 4.
So 4 and I get 2. 2, 4. Okay, let's cut it up and mix it.
Yeah, let's switch it up, guys. You gotta close your eyes first. I'm not gonna close my eyes because I don't memorize it. Seriously.
Oh, what the hell?
Because they're all like.
I just got a notification that you uploaded a video.
I did.
Yeah.
I just uploaded. Okay, guys, we gotta do this quickly. Come on.
Okay.
This one. Oh, I got the blue one again.
You could hear everything.
Okay. Okay.
This one.
Okay, so, no, I didn't get a point for that because I already told it.
Wait, this is kind of tough.
I'm gonna be waiting.
Oh no, I got a sticky one.
So we have to get which one we get.
Dang it, I don't get a point, guys.
Get in this one. Oh.
Okay, guys, we might cut the video right now. We're gonna cut the video right now, guys, because my cousin's gonna die.
Wait, how many stickies have you gotten?
I got 1. Okay, guys, I'm gonna cut the video. Remember to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below what game we should do because I did Spice Hot Chip Challenge. We did it with Dynamite, and I lost, guys. So I was playing with someone else, guys. My other cousin. Then whoever lost, we had to do a dare, guys. So I'm gonna cut the video right now.